Are you ready to master Cessna 172 inspections? This guide will walk you through using EE Auditor for effective and compliant aircraft checks. Ensure safety and reliability with every flight. To begin, open eAuditor on your device. Navigate to Templates and select Create Template, then choose Blank Template. Add fields for aircraft registration, serial number, inspection date, and inspector's name. Build sections for each system, including airframe, engine, and propeller. This setup ensures comprehensive coverage of all critical components. Inspect the fuselage for damage or corrosion, ensuring wings and control surfaces are secure. Verify the engine's oil level and condition, checking for leaks and secure mounts. Examine propeller blades for cracks or dents, ensuring balance and security. Each check is vital for maintaining airworthiness. Follow this process meticulously to avoid issues. Inspect tires for good condition and brakes for proper function. Ensure struts are secure and the battery is charged. Check that lights operate correctly and wiring is undamaged. Verify that flight instruments work and controls move freely. Accurate indicators are crucial for safe flying. Capture photos in EE Auditor to document conditions or defects. Write detailed notes on findings, repairs, or maintenance needs. Collect the inspector's signature to confirm completion. Save the inspection as a PDF for official records. This process ensures thorough documentation and compliance. Annual inspections are due every 12 months, regardless of flight frequency. Plan ahead to ensure compliance. A 100-hour inspection is needed for aircraft used for hire or training. Certified mechanics can perform these checks, but only authorized inspectors sign off annually. Allocate sufficient time for a thorough inspection. EE Auditor ensures no inspection item is missed, maintaining airworthiness and compliance. It stores findings, photos, and signatures digitally, creating a clear maintenance record. Customize the checklist while keeping required items intact. Conduct inspections on your device, right on the tarmac. This mobile-first approach simplifies the process. By utilizing EE Auditor, you can ensure thorough and compliant Cessna 172 inspections. This tool helps maintain safety, reliability, and regulatory adherence. Implement these practices to keep your aircraft in top condition.